Oh, by the way, I think most of the this thing has been uploaded. Videos, all the videos are up to date till now, till today. Whatever videos were there, I did are there in the link. Today, it's your job. At wait, let me pause the recording. Hi. So I was just explaining you guys, some of you guys who joined me recently, how to watch my videos and links. This is the question all most of you guys are having doubts on. So it's June 2018 IAL. Okay, a cyclist starts from rest at a point O on a straight horizontal road. The cyclist moves along the road with a constant acceleration of 2 meters per second square for 4 seconds and then continues to move along the road at a constant speed. Okay, so what is happening? From point A starts from rest. You got a 0. The cyclist move along the road with a constant acceleration of 2 meters per second square. Okay, we are going to do that as well. Okay, you know what? Let me copy paste this and do it. After solving this many sums in our this chapter, you guys are not supposed to have any doubts in even your modern sums as well. Okay, fine. A cyclist starts from rest at the point O. Okay, blah blah blah. The cyclist moves along the road with a constant acceleration of 2 meters per second square for 4 seconds. Okay, chalo, let's start drawing it. Oh, by the way, I can actually restrict you guys from accessing the videos as well if I see fit. Remember that. 2 meters per second square for 4 seconds. Color change kori amra. Red color for 4 seconds. You give any slope, nobody is calculating. So this is your what? 4 seconds. Koto? 2 meters per second square. And you guys know I have a very bad habit or good habit of writing the data on the graph itself. Okay, this reminds me because I cannot go to the question. And yeah, if you have to read the question 3 times, 5 times, read it. I had some students, these guys would literally okay, resume recording. Okay, so yeah, I was saying about my students who are not reading questions properly. Yeah, now what is happening here? 2 meters per second square for 4 seconds and then continues to move along the road at constant speed. Continues to move along the road at a constant speed. ঠিক আছে? এটা তোমরা জানো এটা physics থেকে ও লেভেলের knowledge দিয়ে করা যাবে. At the instant when the cyclist stops accelerating. Okay. At the instant, okay, a motorcyclist starts from rest at point 2, moves along the road at a constant acceleration of 4 meters per second square. Double of this guy. Okay. Can you see this point over here? এটা অনেকে বুঝতে কষ্ট করে. He is at rest over here. দেখো এখানে তোমার acceleration stop হয়েছে না? This is where the stopped acceleration না? What একটা motorcyclist এখান থেকে কি accelerate করা শুরু করছে. How did he accelerate? 4 meters per second square. Can you see this slope? আমি এই স্লোপটা এই স্লোপের থেকে খুব বেশি করছি because if 2 meters per second square looks like this, 4 meters per second square should be more slopey. Okay, in the same direction as the cyclist. The motorcyclist has been moving for 40 seconds. She overtakes cyclist. এরকম question আমরা previous talk করছিলাম. I think you were not there. You were there that time. You only attended one class with me, na? Yeah, okay. So overtake করছে. Let's say দেখো when you are sketching the graph, you don't have to be so much accurate. আমি এটাকে এইভাবে করে দিচ্ছি. Yeah, both the lines looks parallel but they are not. This one is more slopey than this one, red color one. Yeah, so fine. This much everything. Let's say ওরা এখানে কোথাও নিজেকে overtake করছে. Let's say they overtook each other. এখানে overtake হয়েছে for example. Okay. So at the end of the day, you can see the area under the graph of the red line and area under the graph of the blue line is same because they both traveled the same distance. Yes, sketch. Or a cyclist starts from O. This guy also starts from O. The motorcyclist also starts from O. It's just, you know, sometimes some motorcycles are faster than the car. How much ever fast you go initially, or motorcycle is going to take you over. This is like that only. The moment the car stopped accelerating, this guy started his journey from only. So both the car and the motorcycle is covering the same horizontal distance. Clear is Shabar? অনলাইন সবার কি ক্লিয়ার হইছে?
Yes.
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 Okay, cool, everybody is there. So এখন ও কতক্ষণ ধরে অ্যাক্সেলারেট করছে? আমি 4 সেকেন্ড পর্যন্ত অ্যাক্সেলারেট করছে না, this guy. So this is 4. Okay, what did they say? First thing, sketch a speed time graph, okay, and speed time graph of the motion of the cyclist to the time when the motorcyclist overtake cyclist, okay, so and so. Now giving your answer the value of t. What is this value of t? T seconds, okay, the motorcycle has been moving for t seconds. So this is what we are looking for. Eta hocche 4 plus t. Would you guys agree that এটা হচ্ছে 4 plus t, because motorcyclist এখান থেকে শুরু করছে and here it overtook. So এই জার্নিটা কত? t না? ক্লিয়ার? সবাই ক্লিয়ার? Okay, so now can I do this? How much, what is the speed did he reach? Initial speed কি ছিল? আচ্ছা এই পার্ট তো আমি করে দিছি, স্কেচ করতে বলতো, আমি স্কেচ করে ফেলছি এই পার্ট। Now I'm doing what? B part. u is 0, acceleration কত? 2, কতক্ষণ দিছে টাইম? 4. Which formula? v is equal to u plus at. v is equal to u তো 0 আছে, a কত? 2 হচ্ছে 4, কত হবে? 8 মিটার পার সেকেন্ড। এটা বুঝে গেছো? this is 8 মিটার পার সেকেন্ড। ক্লিয়ার আছে সবার? Then in such situation, when something overtakes you and they also start from the same point, here both motorcycle and this one started from the same point. What is it? Oh, that means donotar area under the graph same. Donotar area under the graph same. Okay, let's talk about the car. Was it car? Cyclist. It is a cyclist, my bad. This is the motorcycle, so let me write motor, and this is a key cycle. ঠিক আছে? এখন আমি সাইকেলের কথা বলি তোমাকে। Look at the cycle over here. What's happening? Cycler area under the graph. Okay, let's talk about distance traveled by cycle. Distance আমি নিচে কি লিখবো? Cycle ব্র্যাকেটে, এত লম্বা কিছু লাগার দরকার নেই। This is distance. This তুমি দেখে বুঝে যাবে, it means distance traveled by the cycle কত? Can you see it is divided into a right angle triangle and length into breadth? Yeah, right angle triangle কি? Half base into height plus length into breadth কি হবে? t into 8. ক্লিয়ার কি না বলো? Yeah, so এখানে 2 2s are 4, কত হবে? 16, 16 plus 8 t. ক্লিয়ার? ক্লিয়ার? এটা কার? এটা হচ্ছে distance traveled by the cycle. Now let's talk about distance by whom? By the motorcycle. Yeah, so what is it going to be? Can you see that blue color line? It's half base into height only. Yeah, but I don't know what height did he travel. I don't know what is the height did he travel. Do we know how much height did he travel? We don't know. Okay, but we know it started from rest as well, na? Start from rest as well. It's written over here, the motorcyclist. Okay, so let's do from him, for him as well. So এটা আমি এখন জানি না, let me do it in a side note, অন্য কালার দিয়ে করি। Okay, pink color. So again, final velocity কত? জানি না। Initial velocity কত? 0. Acceleration কত? 4. কতক্ষণ গেছে? Capital letter T. ঠিক আছে? So v is equal to u plus at. A কত? 4, capital letter T. So the height, the final velocity of the motorcycle is how much? 4, capital letter T. So what is the height? Base কত? T. Height কত? 4t. Okay, so can I do that? আমি একটা কাজ করি এখন। Cut, paste. ঠিক আছে তো না? ওকে, সো মোটরের জন্য কি? হাফ বেস। বেস কত ছিল? t. হাইট কত ছিল? 4t. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. সো এটা হবে 2t square. Clear? Okay, I told you distance of the cycle, which is 16 plus 8t, is equal to the distance traveled by the motorcycle, which is going to be 2t square. Can you see it's giving me a quadratic equation? তোমরা ক্যালকুলেটরে এটাকে সলভ করো। 2t square minus 8t minus 16 equals to 0. You'll get two values of t. একটা positive হবে, একটা negative হবে. Tell me how what you guys are getting. এটা কি সবাই বুঝছে? জাহিদ, নেহা, সাইদ, আমিনা?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, what is the answer? দেখো, 5.5 আর কি আরেকটা কি, which is we are not taking, so 5.5 second is the answer. তোমার এটা সবার ডাউট ছিল লাস্টের মধ্যে, এখন কি বুঝছো? But I did this kind of concept question. Why you guys are feeling this one hard? When you have two, একটা motorcycle, একটা car, motorcycle, whatever. Wrong করছো। I think তোমরা এই গ্রাফটা 0 থেকে শুরু করছো না? গ্রাফটা 0 থেকে শুরু করছো। But they said when the acceleration ended. What the hell happened? Tell me what happened. Sandy, what happened? Wasn't this one in between, by the way? What happened? Okay, I'll pause the recording. Resume recording. Okay, so let's take June 2016 GCE. Two trains M and N are moving in the same direction along the parallel. In Bangladesh, they would have raced together, I'm pretty sure. Okay, direction along the parallel straight horizontal track T0. M overtakes N, pretty sure it's in Bangladesh. M overtakes N while they are traveling with the speed of 40 meters per second. Okay, and 30 meters per second respectively. Cool. Train M overtakes N as they pass point X at the side of the track. So একজন 40 মিটার per second এ যাচ্ছে, একজন 30 মিটার per second এ যাচ্ছে. After some time, both of them overtakes each, one of them overtakes the other. After overtaking N, the train M maintains the speed for 40 meters per second. Overtake করার পরে, okay, 40 seconds, and then decelerates uniformly, coming to rest at point Y at the side of the track. Okay, প্রথমে আমরা M এর কথা বলি. Let's draw M first of all, and I will use different colors over here just to represent M and N. Okay, so let's say যাচ্ছে, let's say এখানে কোথাও ওভারটেক হয়েছে. Okay, okay, আর by the way আমরা ওভারটেকিং থেকে শুরু করতেছি. I think we will start from overtaking only, because anyway they were going at constant speed only, na? They had one speed, so we will start from this is our overtake. মানে আমার my time 0 is the key overtaking time over here. Okay, maintains the speed for 40 seconds and decelerates uniformly, coming to rest next to point Y. So this is X to Y. Let's say যখন তোমার টাইম 0 ছিল তখনই তুমি X থেকে যাচ্ছ. This is where you are in X, and this is here you are in what? Y. Clear? বুঝছো? Okay, then after being overtaken and maintains the 30 meters per second for 25 seconds. Now I have an issue. Is 25 seconds here? Okay, let me use another color. This 25 seconds এখানে হবে না এখানে হবে, that I still don't know. Let me do one thing. I will rectify the mistake later on. Let me find out first. Let me still draw it. এভাবে আমি draw করি, তারপর কি করছে? For 25 seconds and then decelerates uniformly. Okay, this is decelerating uniformly exactly the same point as Y at the same point, same time. You see, the time taken by the train travel X and Y is what? Same. Now the problem is this graph can be either like this or it can be either what? Like this. I don't know which one is correct. I have no idea. Okay, later on once I get my anyway I will do it with pencil only na, in the examination. I will rub it up and I will rectify the mistake, not an issue. Okay, so let's see what's going on over here. So sketch on the same diagram. একটা 30 meters per second, একটা 40 meters per second. Your M is blue color here most probably. So 40. আর এটা কত? 30. You guys will notice আমি velocity versus time graph লিখতেছি না. I'm not writing here, but you should. I'm just to save time and I'm lazy. That is the reason. Don't be lazy like me. Okay. Okay. So given that xy is 975, same concept here. What is the concept? That area under the graph for both of them is same. Okay. I know for a fact is that, excuse me, this part is t. I know for a fact that this part is t. ওরা বলে দিছে না, চেক করো কি লিখছে, m এর জন্য কি লিখছে 40, it maintains the constant speed for t seconds. Okay, তারপর deceleration বলতে আর কিছু বলে নাই, and regarding this guy they said that this guy maintains that speed for how many seconds? 25 seconds. ঠিক আছে, এভাবে বলছে আমাকে। ওকে, ওরা আমাকে এরিয়া অফ দ্য গ্রাফ দিয়ে দিছে, find the value of t. Okay, and they took the same time, both of them took the same time. Did they give us any total time over here? My bad. Did they give us any total time over here? ওরা আমাকে total time কিছু দিছে এখানে? হ্যাঁ, কোনো কিছু দেয় না। So I don't know what is my final end over here. Okay. 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 Okay, let's see what I can do over here. Time t is equal to 0, m overtakes n. See, time t is equal to 0, m overtakes n. This is your starting of the graph. Starting of the graph is when m is overtaking n. Okay, the time taken by trains to travel x and y is same. Okay, let me do v0 and t. Do I know at what deceleration they took place? Then decelerates uniformly. Decelerates again uniformly. They did not give me anything. They just gave me area of the graph. Okay, let me find let's say let this be t1 for the blue color. I'm doing this for the blue color right now. Okay, for the m. Okay, let this be t1. Okay, let me do for the blue color. Blue color is who? M na. Blue color is what? M. Clear? So এটার জন্য আমি কি করব, half, আচ্ছা length into breadth করি, t into 40. area under the graph find করতেছি আর কি, because they gave me 975 here না, so area under the graph t into 40 plus this thing over here. What is this time over here? Do I know the acceleration or anything like that? Nothing. I don't know anything over here. Okay, so let this be t1, half base into height, half base t1, height হচ্ছে কত 40, কত পাচ্ছ 975. Okay, so what do they want from me? Find the value of t. Fine, I'll try my best to do this. I'm not seeing any favorable condition though, because I'm having one unknown, I'm having two unknown. Is equal to কত 975. Agree? Okay, this is my equation number 1. So let me go to the for n. n na n এর জন্য আমি কি করব, same. You have 25 into 30. Can you see that na? 25 into 30. একটা তোমার কাছে rectangle আছে. Look here also you have one na. This is 25 na, into 30. So n এর জন্য কি হবে 25 into 30 plus same thing here. This is t1 দিছি, আমি এটাকে t2 দিই for example. For n for n এর জন্য deceleration time কত দিব t2. So let that be t2 equals to half base into height. Base হচ্ছে t2, height হচ্ছে কি 30, is equal to what 975. ওকে, তো এটা কত পাচ্ছ, এটা হচ্ছে 15 তোমার, কত পাচ্ছ 30 into 25 কত, 30 into 25 কত, compare. No, আমি mental math নিই না এখানে, because most of the time it's wrong, but your one is correct. Good, bravo, but very good. Okay, কত 30, 15 t2, 15 t2 is equal to কত 975. আচ্ছা, আমি কি t2 ফাইন্ড করতে পারবো এখানে? I can না? So 15 t2 is equal to 975 minus 750. কত পাচ্ছ? 975 minus 750 কত? ডিভাইড বাই 15 করো কত পাচ্ছ 15 seconds. The total time of the journey, let's focus on the orange line. Total time of the journey is 25 plus 15, that is 40. That means total time of the journey kota 40. Agree or disagree? Okay, so that means this part is going to be 40 minus t. Yes or no? The blue color line. So ami t1 er jagay, in my equation of t1, can I write 40 minus capital letter T? Yes or no? Saeed, Anis, Neha, Pushpita, are you guys understanding this concept, or do you want me to revise it again?
I'm understanding.
Anyone who want me to revise it again, let me know after I finish this sum. Okay, so total time of the journey is 40 na, to koro ekhon ki hobe 40t plus 20 t1 এর জায়গায় কি লিখবো 40 minus t is equal to 975 ঠিক আছে 40t plus এটা কত 800 না ক্লিয়ার সবাই 40 minus দেখো 20t হয়ে যাবে না is equal to 975 minus কি 800, that's going to be what 175. Yes, so 175 divided by 20 কত 8 point. Anybody knows the answer?
It's the
You saw
correct
the answer?
answer.
It is the correct-
8.75.
is the correct answer. Okay, now all of you, anybody wants a re-revision of this sum, say now. Okay, so you understood the graph part, no?
Yes, yes, Abu.
You understood the graph part. Okay, so let me do it again. For example, the problem here is this time was not given to me. 25 seconds before the deceleration was given to me. 40 it was given to me. So I don't know how much was this, what was the total time. So I'm ki korchi blue color eta till the end I named it t1, and for orange I named it what t2. Okay, later one thing I know that dunota area under the graph is same, so I made two equations. You understood how I made the first equation, right? Length into breadth, that is t into 40 plus half base into height. Base হচ্ছে তোমার t1, height হচ্ছে তোমার 40. That's what I did. Half base into height. Base height. So half কত 20 t1 হয়ে গেছে small t1. আচ্ছা, there was no way I could solve this because I have two unknowns. One is capital letter T, one is small letter t1. So I could not do this. Let me go to the orange section. There also I have the same thing. Length into breadth. Length কত 25. Height কত 30. 25 into 30 plus half base কত t2. This t2 base t2 total time for both of them is same. Remember that part of question is important. Total time for both of them is same. So base কত t2. Okay, height কত 30. তো আমি এখানে পাচ্ছি 750 plus 15 t2 is equal to কত 975. I can find t2. Okay, let me find t2. Don't lose hope. Follow the rules, and at the end of the day, one question will connect to the other. One steps is going to connect to the other. Don't worry about it. I told you, no, maybe I'm not getting it. I have three unknowns: t1, t2, and capital letter T. How will I get this? But I continue it. Then later on, I found, oh, t2 to page achi hai. Second equation. Okay. Once I got t2, I know my total time of the journey is 40 seconds. 25 plus t2, how much? 40. So that means this t1 is going to be 40 minus capital letter t1 to capital letter T. So I mean t1 is jagah 40 minus capital letter T DC, and I got my t value to be 8.75. Now there is a thing. This is 8 point, so that means I was actually right to draw the orange line after the blue color line, because this t is how much only 8.75 seconds, and how much is this 25. So it has to be more. The orange color line is supposed to be more than this. Clear? Okay, I'll zoom out. You guys do this now. Resume recording. Okay, June 2015 GCE. Okay, okay, I would suggest jara jara notun A level এখন join করছো to by heart the codes. you have to know that mechanics stats is WME01. ওকে, আর মেকানিক্স এর দুইটা আছে। ওকে, একটা হচ্ছে আইএল এর মেকানিক্স M1, আর একটা হচ্ছে জিসি এর M1। কোডের মধ্যে দুই রকমের মেকানিক্স থাকে, এটা মনে রাখিও। মেকানিক্স দুই রকম, বাট দ্যাট ইজ till 2018 most probably, okay, or 17. After that you have only IL M1 only, okay। তার ফিজিক্স এর কোডস গুলো শিখে ফেলিও। WPH01 মানে IL পুরনো, WPH11 মানে IL নতুন, 6PH01 মানে this thing GCE পুরনো সিলেবাস। এগুলো সব তোমাদেরকে জানতে হবে, বিকজ আমি ফাইলগুলো M1 C1 C2 এভাবে লিখি নাই, some are written some are not written, okay, whatever। Now June 2015 GCE, a train travels along the straight horizontal track between two station A and B, okay। So I'm pretty sure I need to draw a graph over here, so আমি এখানে গ্রাফ ড্র করতেছি তোমাদের। Okay, so the train starts from the rest A and moves with a constant acceleration of 0.5 meter per second square. তো আমি এটা লিখবো 0.5 meter per second square until it reaches a speed of v meter per second, until it reaches a speed of v meter per second. At one point you guys are going to realize, but yeah, most of the question and concept gulo to same, so the question ta different of a frame courses, the way we solve is same only at the end of the day, okay। The train then travels at this constant speed before it moves with a constant deceleration of, okay, 0.25, আর এখানে কত হচ্ছে 0.5 মিটার পার সেকেন্ড স্কয়ার না, প্রথমটা 0.5 মিটার পার সেকেন্ড স্কয়ার, okay। Then this is constant speed, okay, moves with a okay 0.25 meter per second square, তারপর 0.25 meter per second square, okay। It should not be accurate to the eye, it should be 0.25, কিন্তু এখানে আমি কি দিব, নেগেটিভ সাইন দিব, meter per second square, clear, until it comes to rest from B, rest at B, okay। Sketch in the space below a speed time graph from motion, হ্যাঁ এটা হয়ে গেছে, this we know, A part understood না, B part, the total time of the journey হচ্ছে 5 minutes, so 300 মিনিটের ভিডিও, 300 মিনিটের এটা 300 মিটার না, the journey, because 5 6 are 30 na, so 300, 5 6 is. Now find the terms of B, in terms of B, কোন লেটার কোন নাম্বার না, লেটার থাকতে হবে, B লেটারটা থাকতেই হবে, because they say in terms of B, that means in your answer the V letter is supposed to be there. It starts from rest na, yes, U is equal to 0, তোমার U যদি 0 হয়, V question mark, okay, there's an acceleration, no, what, okay, fine, in terms of V until it reaches the speed of V, okay, time, we need time, oh we need time, okay, got it। এটা কত তোমার T1, এটা কত T1, আর এটা কত, কতক্ষণ ধরে কনস্ট্যান্ট যাচ্ছে জানি না, আর এটা কত, আমি এটাকে T1 করব, এটাকে T2 করব, এটা কি T3 করব, ঠিক আছে। সো T1 কত হবে, T1 is question mark as well, final velocity is V, actually we know that final velocity is V, okay, and your acceleration is 0.5, so V is equal to U plus AT, V is equal to U, which is 0, A kota 0.5 into ki T1, okay, so V divided by 0.5 is going to be 2V, correct, so this is going to be how much, 2V, clear, first part, Najmol, next decelerating, same thing again, V is equal to U plus AT, but this time your final speed is how much, 0, your initial speed is V, your acceleration is minus 0. How much, 25, your time T2, T is equal to T3 basically, ঠিক আছে, T3 হচ্ছে তোমার question mark, clear, okay। So now again V is equal to U plus AT করি, final velocity কত, V, no, final velocity হচ্ছে 0, final velocity কত, 0, my bad, sorry, you initial velocity কত b minus 0.25 into t3. So bring it on the other side, minus v divided by minus 0.25. Calculator করো 1 by 0.25 কত 1 by 4 হবে কিনা or 4 হবে 4v হবে most probably 4v. So t3 is going to be 4v. সেটা হয়ে গেছে 4v. Okay, now what did they say? Moving with constant speed. Okay, you know t1 plus t2 plus t3 is going to be 300 na. t1 plus t2 plus t3 এদিকে দেখো t1 plus t2 plus t3 is equal to how much? 300 na. t1 I know is 2v plus this is third part I am doing. Okay, second part এখানে হয়ে গেছে তোমার b second part 2v plus t2 plus 4v is equal to how much? 300. So t2 is equal to 300 minus 6v. Is this clear, Zubair? Najmul, is this clear? Okay, what have I guessed? Now, given that the distance between this is 6.3. Okay, chalo. Half base into height query and 6,300 kilometers is my answer. What is my base here? 2v. What's my height here? v. Chalo, no problem. This I'm doing now C part if I'm not wrong. Area under the graph is 6,300 meters. Base koto 2v. Height koto v plus. Majkhane ta ki chilo? Length into breadth. What is the length we have? 300 minus 6v is my length. Breadth koto? V again. Okay, not an issue. 300 minus 6v into koto? V plus. Again, next. Half base into height. Base koto? 4v. Height koto? V. Half base into height is equal to how much? 6,300 meters. Everyone understood? 2 and 2 gets cancelled. You have v square plus you have 30v minus 6v square plus 2v square is equal to 6,300. Clear ki na shobai? Okay. Account. Oh, 300. Yes. Sorry. 300v minus 6v square, na? Yeah. 6v. Now. Right. v square আর এটা আসবে কত? 3v minus 3v square plus 300v minus 6,300. V value find karo. Put this in your calculator. Give me the value of v. Did they tell us to find the value of v here? Yes, they did. But they also said as v is less than 50. Eta mind rakhiyo. Question. Dekho question ta paro. V is less than 50. Huh? 70 or 30. I will take 30 as my answer. Keno jano? Because it is less than 50 meters per second. Ora bole dise. So this is my answer. Clear? Online. Bolo upore jabo. Konta dire check karo. I'll pause the recording.